company fitted pre-applied plastic screen protector before the water test. Continuing with the test and checking out the layer of oleophobic coating on this tempered glass protection. This oleophobic layer helps in keeping fingerprints to a minimum and also makes the water to roll off the glass surface in the form of droplets. Some devices like the Oppo A3s, Vivo Y81, V9 Pro and every Realme phone tested on the channel completely lack this layer, which otherwise is quite common in almost every phone. The Realme 3 Pro also totally lacks this layer as a cost-cutting measure, and maybe the company thinks it is not required on the phones. Will the Realme 3 Pro perform as good as the Realme 3 and survive the heavy drenching round? We'll soon find out later in the video. Low and distorted audio is the most common effect to take place, which can last anywhere between a few seconds in some devices to several hours on others, and can permanently damage the audio and the display unit. Besides that, there have been issues of screen flickering, the display going blank for 11 hours straight on the Redmi Y1, or the screen getting damaged on the Asus Zenfone 5Z due to water seeping inside the lower part of the display. So will the Realme 3 Pro be able to resist the water abuse or fail? The Realme 3 Pro, like the previously tested Realme 3, behaves just like an IP54 rated splash resistant device. Even though it is not water resistant, it is still able to resist heavy splashes like a champ, does not suffer any damage and passes the water test.